Chris, look happy. I don't want to start my vlog like this. Morning, guys. Today I'm going to Namsan Tower. I was gonna go to Latte Tower, but then I was informed that it costs way too much for me to go up in it. I'm not sure how much it costs here. I looked it up, and some places were saying 10,000, which, if that's true, that's only like 10 bucks. So not a big deal. Much better than Latte Tower. It doesn't look nearly as big as Latte Tower, but it's still gonna be a good time, and we're gonna have fun. Another day, another part of the city. Everything was fine on the subway, but now we have to figure out buses again, and this is where I seem to always mess up. I know this is gonna be hard to believe, but I got on the right bus, first try, made it up here. It's really cool out today, it feels really nice, and I saw a little bit of the view on the way up here on the bus. I can see a little bit over there. This is high up. This is beautiful, dude. I'm really excited. So I didn't expect this, but today has actually ended up becoming one of my favorite days I spent in all of Korea so far. This was fantastic. I mean, I can't express it really. I don't know if the video expresses it well enough for how cool this actually was. This is just such a beautiful place. The view is incredible. There's so much to do up there. There's places to eat. I feel like this would be another awesome date spot if you come as a couple, but it's amazing alone too. I had such a good time. I wish Chris would have come with me. He's got things to do today, but he would have absolutely loved this. And maybe I can come back, maybe I can get him to come with me, because because I'd love to come here at night. This has to be insanely beautiful at night. I can't even imagine. Highly recommended. This should be near the top of your list if you come to Seoul. Not sure how, but I somehow ended up at Seoul Station. So I guess I'm just gonna find something to eat here and then take the train back to the Airbnb. I got some food and made it back, just hanging out. Chris is not here. He is getting ready for, we're going to a really fancy dinner tonight with some friends we have here, which if you're wondering why I keep mentioning friends and how you haven't seen anyone, it's because it's people who just don't want to be in video at all. We're meeting up with them later. I might not be able to record because they don't want to be in it, and also it is a fancy dinner, so it's gonna be a little bit weird to be recording. I might try. I'll see what I can do, but there's no guarantees. So it's hours later and we're at Han River. We've done a lot of stuff. I've eaten good, and oh, Chris is doing something. There's Namsan Tower where we started the day. It all comes full circle. Just a Friday night here in Seoul. Nothing special going on. Night market, and they're playing Despacito right now. Great way to end the day. Can you dab or something, or do something for the vlog? Today was an awesome day. I think it might be my best day in Korea so far. Maybe I'm calling it too early. Maybe I gotta sit on it for a while and see how it feels in retrospect. Either way, it was a good day. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow at all. Need to look at the weather. But I'm really tired. It's time for bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.